Unboxing a Delta 3 plus electric generator. Mm. Mm. Yes. Upside down. Upside down. It's not good. Not good. Well. See? Okay, so I take it out by putting this way, and it will be easier to remove it from the box. Well, this is the man, the power. And I take off this, and I take off this, and you see, it was open. You see, open, but not broke. Okay, very good. Well, I hope it works. And now, let's see the other stuff. The box, this is the cable, I suppose. The charging cable. Only this charging cable. Nothing else. Only this. Huh? What happened? Where are the other items? So, let's see. How it works. Power. %. Okay. Activating the sockets. It was activated, not deactivated. Okay, so now let's see how it works. Okay. Switch on, switch off. Okay, it works. Very good. This. Now, let's see this if it works. Yes, it works. Higher, lower speed, higher speed. Very good. Okay. And then other stuff.